Free track day. If you've been following these videos, no, I haven't sold the wagon. I'll try this spring. Due to a bureaucratic glitch, probably my fault, only one of us is going to be driving today. I didn't bring the track tires, so there won't be any fast laps for the Legacy. I won't be driving, and I'm okay with that. Ken, on the other hand, has a more powerful replacement engine in his Fairmont, and I'd like to get lap times and GPS data on that. As the Fairmont goes into turn 5, on the warm-up lap, the power steering goes out. The fan belt has fallen off. So back to the paddock we go. As the Fairmont goes into turn 5, on the warm-up lap, the power steering goes out. The fan belt has fallen off. Ken's obviously disappointed, but he's itching to see what his engine will do. Yes, it does that.
Boy, the time goes so quickly when you're on track.
Uh-oh, Ken's not laughing. I better behave myself. He seemed pretty calm, but after looking at the film, is he trying to take my head off with that fan belt? And in reverse. So I thought taking pictures of him while he's under the car would improve his mood.
Oh, come on, baby.
As the Fairmont goes into turn 5, on the warm-up lap, the power steering goes out. The fan belt has fallen off. Hey, here's somebody I subscribe to on YouTube, Ryan at the DSX Motorsports channel. The Civic belongs to a friend of his. And a shot from inside the Civic. I decided to help Ken out, but I think I might be suffering from attention deficit disorder. Also, what the hell am I wearing? Would it cost any more to get a top that fits? As the Fairmont goes into turn 5, on the warm-up lap, the power steering goes out. The fan belt has fallen off. And for those not paying attention, that is the 4th time. Of a parade. Well, not really. Actually, I can't think of a faster way to piss me off than to make me watch a parade. No fan belt means no water pump, and the temperature gauge is beginning to climb. Ken has the engine turned off and he's trying to limp it back into our parking spot.
It must be that cold. It must be, maybe it's just too narrow. It's not letting us.
Well, he didn't make it.
Yeah, I think we're there. But thank you. All right.
I had been pushing the Fairmont as the car to drive today, so it's poetic justice that I'm pushing the Fairmont. Hey, there he is. Big decision. I could be helping Ken, or I could be talking to the guy with the Supra. When I said I didn't get any fast laps today, I forgot about Daniel. He dropped by to offer me a ride in his S2000. Thanks, Daniel. I'll admit he's a better driver than me. And then there's his car. Almost twice the horsepower, better brakes, and much wider tires. So I'm pretty happy to be Pretty much exactly 10 seconds a lap slower than him. He keeps talking to me, but I can't hear crap inside a car, so I just agree with whatever he says. He does a 210 here, but it would have been a 209 without my additional weight in the car. I need to go on a diet.
Over there? Oh yeah. You're in charge.
It was only 2 o'clock, so an obvious decision. Hand over the keys to the
Now
Legacy.
once you get going though.
Hey, here comes Ryan. I thought Ken did pretty well. As far as I know, he's never driven a manual transmission car on the track, especially one with manual steering. Well, not intentionally. And he's driving on what I refer to as my crap tires. And it's not a Ford. What the frick is a Subaru? Hey, here comes Ryan. And the view from the Civic. There's quite a bit of debris at the S's, so a good time to pause and reflect. One thought for today is that if this is the last track day for the Legacy, I'm not driving it. Kinda weird. Also, too bad about the Fairmont. With that new engine, I was thinking a 2:16 lap time, which wouldn't be bad for America's success car. Another is that I was mature enough not to say found on road dead, not even once. I did think it a few times. And despite all the problems, we both had a great day.
Was that too much power for you?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Really? That was fun.
Yeah, it was. So did we get some good footage?
Well, I hope so. Oh, and I got hit in the face with a chunk of rubber. Didn't hurt. I mean, just from another car. It just
Really?
went dunk right in the face.
Wow.
Yeah.